Hello, and thank you for visiting 4252 21st Street. Today we're going to be touring a beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom, 2 full bath unit. Okay, so let's enter the building here. Your mailboxes are to the left, call box to the right. We walk up to the top level. Neighbor's Corner, a wonderful coffee house, is located in the building right on the corner. So it is very convenient. Here we are. You walk into this light-filled unit. You have your first bedroom here to the left. This was the owner's unit, so everything has been completely redone, including the closets. You have custom closets in each of the bedrooms. Beautiful wood floors throughout. You have double pane windows. You are located on the top floor, so it is very, very quiet. And here is the full bathroom. This is a smaller bathroom, but you do have a shower with glass enclosure, sink, and tucked away behind the door is your toilet. Nice modern design. Okay, to the left here is the second bedroom. Again, this faces south, beautifully remodeled custom closet. Here is the third bedroom. This would be the master bedroom. You have a nice custom closet here. This room is located off the street. You also have a huge walk-in closet, which I'll show you momentarily. Here is the full bathroom attached to this bedroom. It is a double sink. You have beautiful fixtures, and here is the walk-in closet. This unit does have a yard and a garage as well. Private laundry machines. And here is the living room dining combination, which is open to the kitchen. Beautifully renovated with high-end appliances. Dishwasher, range, refrigerator, double pane windows, just a beautiful space. If you're interested in this magnificent home, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.